Hello, I'm in a 2015 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you where your aux port, USB ports, and charger ports might be. So first you'll find a charger port right here, and then inside this center here you should see a USB port on top, an aux port in the middle, and then a charger port on bottom. And then for the rear you see a charger port there as well. And then especially if you've got an aftermarket radio system installed, they often run extra cords off to the side here or into the glove box that you can check. That sometimes those will have like a USB port or something like that you can plug into. And all that said, if some of these aren't working for some particular reason, first thing I check are fuses. Sometimes a burnt fuse can make these systems inoperable. If that doesn't work, possibly, like especially if it's just like one port or something not working, you might need to get behind the plastic, wherever it might be, and check if there's like a loose connection or something like that that needs replaced or reattached. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.